Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove Meta AI from Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the circle icon at the top left corner of the screen. You can just simply tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the Meta AI name at top middle of the screen. And after this, you can see the option mute. You can mute Meta AI by until I change it, and it is a way you can remove some kinds of Meta AI features on Messenger, but you cannot directly remove Meta AI on Messenger if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.